Hi everybody, welcome to Step by Step Farming. In our previous video, we talked to you about our abandoned babies. Today, we're going to show you an update. All right, let's get started. Come on in here with me, you all. And here are the babies that here's one of our babies, and here's the other baby that we hand fed. And they're both siblings. And so anyway, let me tell you what we did. We had them in our house, and we fed them with a syringe. We just basically took their food and ground it up and add a little bit of water. And like I said, you guys can see that in our previous video. And then it got to a point, maybe after a few days to a week, they were actually able to eat solid food. So we hand fed them the solid foods that we feed our normal pigeons. And so since then, they have become kind of our pets. They are the sweetest things. They come to you. They come to you when we come in. They come up to us. They follow us around. And so they are really sweet. If you notice, though, they are babies. They have, once the weather got nicer, we put them out here with the rest of the pigeons because we wanted them to get acclimated to what everyone else was doing. Where everyone else was eating. We wanted to get them used to just being around their own kind. We didn't want to keep them in the house too long. But if you notice, they are a little bit smaller than our other pigeons, and that's because the dad was actually a homing pigeon and the female was a utility pigeon. So you notice that they are not as big as our other ones. Now let me show you. This one here, you'll notice the size. This one cannot fly yet. It's a baby, and it's probably, what, maybe a few weeks old? And it is pretty much the same size as our homie, or actually as the baby pigeons that we have. But this one is very sweet, very docile. It's not skittish or anything like that at all. It's not quite ready to fly, but it's so sweet. It eats out of your hand. So anyway, guys, I just want to give you a very quick, short update of our babies. They have their own box to roost in. They have their own box to roost in, and they get along well with all the other pigeons. So I just want to let you guys know they're doing awesome, and we're super excited that they survived. Thanks for joining. Watch, share, and subscribe.